Hello again. I just want to talk today about a couple of choices that you have for your sailboat. Moving into a new year, we're in the middle of the haul out season. Everyone's getting all their repair work, their bottom coat, their through hulls replaced, and you're thinking that your old propeller might need to be replaced. And you've seen these guys sailing a lot faster with a feathering propeller or a folding propeller. And I just wanted to do in 2 minutes a quick introduction to the world of what I like to call dynamic propellers. The blades move. The first option that you're going to have is, and this is a 2-blade option, you can see it folds like a clamshell, is the folding propeller. And the idea behind this is when it's open, it becomes like a fixed pitch propeller, and you stop the engine, put the sails up, and then the flow of the water closes the blades, and you can see it goes down to nothing. So what you're going to get with this is the same benefit as a fixed pitch propeller, but when you're under sail, you're going to save, and it depends on how big a boat it is, what style of the hull is, how clean the hull is, but you're typically going to get about a knot under sail is the top end that you're going to get, usually half, 3/4 of a knot, but it's significant. And you're also not wearing your shaft, it's not spinning, so you don't get all the onboard noise, all the thump, thump, thump as you're sailing. So it's very quiet, very good for the engine, very good for the environment, less emissions as well. The other option, and this is our version of it, it's called autoprop, and this is a feathering propeller. The idea behind this one, same as before, it's a regular propeller. You put it into gear to lock it, put the sails up, and then all the blades will align, just like a weather vane, they all align with the flow. Now the difference with this one, there's 2 reasons. You get the same thrust going forward as you do going reverse. And that's the same as the max props of the world. The difference with this one is you can see all the blades flop and they're not fixed. All the pitch is set by hydrodynamics. So when this is under power, it's setting its pitch automatically as well. So you're going to get a 30% fuel saving with this under power. You're also going to cut your emissions 30% under power. Big deal these days. And this is also great for electric boats as well. Anyway, that's just a small introduction to the world of dynamic sailboat propellers. If you like this, check out our website, kingpropulsion.com, or give us a call on 757 962 9219. Thank you.